In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the footer links and payment icons in Shopify Dawn theme. Let's start with how Dawn handles payment icons by default. Dawn can automatically display icons for the payment methods you've enabled in your Shopify settings. This is the easiest no-code route, and it works great if you're happy with Shopify's standard icon set. To use the built-in icons, first make sure the payment methods you accept are enabled in Shopify Admin under Settings, then Payments. Enable options like Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, and any others you support. Next, open the theme editor and go to the footer settings. Turn on the option to show payment icons. Once that's enabled, Dawn will pull in the icons for your active methods automatically. Just remember, this route only shows the standard icons that Shopify supports. If you want full control over which icons appear, or you need to use custom artwork, you'll want to customize the code. Before you do anything, make a backup by duplicating your theme. That way, if something goes wrong, you can roll back without stress. Now open Online Store, then Themes, and choose Edit Code. In the Sections folder, open Footer, Liquid. Look for the part of the file that outputs the payment icons. You'll see a conditional that checks if payment icons are enabled, and a loop that renders each enabled payment type using Shopify's built-in SVG tag. That loop is what you'll replace. Upload your custom icons first so they're ready to reference. In the Assets area, add your SVG or PNG files. SVG is ideal for crisp, scalable icons. Keep file names clean and consistent, and try to use similar dimensions so they line up evenly. Back in footer.liquid, replace the original loop with your own small block of HTML that lists your icons, for example, a container div with a series of IMG tags. Reference each file using the theme's asset URL so the images load correctly. Save your changes, then preview your store to confirm the icons appear in the footer. Check alignment, spacing, and how they look on mobile. If you need to revert, simply restore the original loop you replaced. As a quick note on footer links and layout, Dawn's footer pulls its link lists from your navigation menus, and you assign those menus to footer blocks in the theme editor. That's also where you can tweak the number of columns, spacing, and overall style to match your brand. That's it. You now know both the no-code option and the custom approach for payment icons in the Dawn theme.